How do we solve this question? So the first thing to do is to raise both sides by the power of the inverse. Okay. So I'll now have, if I raise both sides to the power of the inverse, I'll have x raised to power 1 over x squared is equal to 27 raised to the power 1 over 27. Alright. Now, after getting this, okay, the next thing to do is to replace 27. So I'll write 27, this one as 3 raised to power 3, alright? And you agree with me? And then raised to power, okay? This one will be 1 over 3 times 9, alright? Now I still have x raised to power 1 over x squared on this side. But recall that when you have a, okay, so if you have a raised to power m, all in brackets, raised to power n, you have this to be equal to a raised to power m times n. So we're going to do the same thing here. So it means that this will multiply this, alright? So it means that 3 will take 3. And 9 is 3 squared. Okay, so I have 3 raised to power 1 over 3 raised to power 2. And it's equal to x raised to power 1 over x raised to power 2. Now, can you notice here, you can see a trend. Any place you see x, you are seeing 3. And we see x here, we see 3. We see x here, we see 3. And this power is constant on both sides. So this, therefore, we can deduce that x is equal to 3.